What's up, y'all? I know all of you saw that video from about 2 weeks ago. If not, the link will be, let's see, where's the that corner up there, I think? Where you can see me actually lose my GoPro and recover it, all within about 2 minutes of each other. Saved myself about $400 there. But I needed a better mount. And here's what I've got. Links, don't even ask people. You know they are in the description. This is a $20 GoPro mount. This right here will open up to, what is that? Okay, I know y'all want to know exactly, right? That thing will open up to, get on a bar that is 43.8 millimeters, quick conversion, a little bit over 1.5 inches. Not only that, this thing has got rubber grips in there. It'll cramp down tight, and it appears very well built. I don't see anything easily breakable. This is a ram type mount. It's not a ram. This is a ram from China, of course. They copied it, and what can ram do? Nothing. You can't sue China. But this right here, I know what's going on in here. See that? That's a point that could fail and come undone. So I've got a solution to that. Ready for this? This, $8. This is a ram mount. This is a ram mount for a GoPro. Very easily. Oops. This will come out of here and clamp down on that. So now I've got something that's actually a little bit smaller by about a 1/2 inch up here. And I don't have that tripod mount there. So I'm into this for $28 plus tax. I'm happy with this. And this has all kinds of infinite mounting, adjustability options for mounting anywheres on my bike, my motorcycle, hell, even on my snowblower. Oh, can't wait till winter and I make a how to blow snow video with the GoPro mounted on there. This is gonna be awesome. Even on my lawnmower, I might make a video on how to mow your lawn. People eat up that stupid shit, you know? All right, so let's go put this on the bike and see all the different many hundreds, thousands, unlimited ways that this is going to mount. Remember, the link is in the description. $28 as it is. You can do it for $20 if you're cool with that tripod ball there, but I'm not. Now, look what I got. I can do, let's see here, you gotta undo this, clamp you down. Let's swivel you around to the front if you want. That does feel tight. You know, adjust this up like that. Do whatever you want with the balls there to get them out of your way and not have the bike look so cluttered. Boom, look at this. Now I am shooting up high, straight forward. I got easy reach to the button. I do this on the side with my left hand so I can still be throttling and braking with the right hand. And I can shoot forward like that. If I want to adjust it down, I got a little bit of adjustment on the swivel there, but once that's tight, I'll probably leave that alone. Adjust that right there, angle this down and around. I can do it down at the tire. If I want to have y'all see the expression on my face, I can turn it around this way and adjust this over, point this up and back, right like that at me. If you're left-handed, right-handed, it don't matter. You can do anything. This thing's gonna have a lot of flexibilities. If I want to, I can mount it way up high like this. That actually gives you an easy opportunity to turn this around on your face while you're talking. If you're one of those YouTubers that likes to talk and vlog into your microphone and your camera while you're riding, that's very convenient right there. But, all right, so I know all of you don't have hyper scramblers. Or what is this? Hyper Scorpion. I don't even know what this is. But check this out. Oh, yes. Look at that. That is tight. Now, loosen this up, swivel it out, go like that, up over, and I got a point of view going forward. Fine tweak the adjustments, aim it up, boom. Or simple, loosen this up, and I can shoot a point of view from behind me. Not that I care where I've been, I only care where I'm going. That is 5/8 of an inch. 0.68, that's close to 5/8. For those of y'all that got seat posts, that's right, you can mount this on your seat post. Let's go do that. All right, so this is my mountain bike. See, no motor, no batteries. Doesn't get rode much. But look at this. Right there in the back, shooting back, and depending on your wingspan and your leg spread, or watch this. Bingo. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, the possibilities here are freaking endless. I like this. I'm really gonna like this. Okay, and here is a mounting location on the back of my Harley, on that little rack there. And who doesn't have a regular bicycle with regular handlebars? Very nice. And you can have many flexible options with the articulation of all of the adjustability from this. Look at that. Or, of course, if you're vain, just turn this around and point this back at you while you ride. All kinds of different POVs. This is cool. This mount's going to go everywheres. Okay, you get the point now, right? I know I'm reaching a little bit, but this is an incredible mounting system the way it is. I say $28 the way it is. $20 without the ram ball on top. I like it. I'm going to use it. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. I am out of here. Thumbs up. See you.